In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscribers to Mailerlite. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, head over to the subscribers section. This is where you can manage your audience and organize people based on different criteria, which makes it much easier to target the right contacts later on. Once you're in subscribers, click on the Segments tab. Segments in Mailerlite are useful because they automatically group subscribers based on conditions you choose. So instead of manually moving people around one by one, Mailerlite does the work for you whenever a subscriber matches the rules you set. Next, click Create Segment. You'll now be asked to enter a name for your segment. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create multiple segments in the future. For example, you might call it VIP subscribers, but you can use whatever name best matches your purpose. After entering the name, click Create. Now it's time to define the condition that determines which subscribers should be included. Add a filter or condition such as groups. This tells Mailerlite that the segment should be built based on subscribers who belong to a specific group. Groups are helpful if you've already organized your contacts manually or through forms, automations, or imports. After selecting groups as the condition, choose the group that contains the subscriber or subscribers you want to include in this segment. Be careful to select the correct group, since everyone in that group who matches the condition will be included automatically. Once that's set, click Save Changes. Mailerlite will then create the segment and automatically add all subscribers who meet that condition. This is one of the biggest advantages of using segments instead of trying to manage everything manually. As your list changes over time, the segment updates on its own, which helps keep your email marketing organized and accurate. A good tip here is to use segment names that clearly describe the audience inside them. That way, when you're building campaigns later, you can quickly identify the right audience without having to review each condition again. And that's all there is to it. By creating a segment based on a group, you can efficiently add subscribers in Mailerlite and keep your contacts neatly organized for future campaigns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.